So I wanted to kind of do this diagram here to kind of show you how the market repeats itself and pretty much unfolds from one level to the next level. And maybe it'll help your understanding. Okay, so here we have a daily breakout and then an H4 breakout. Okay, so here is our daily level. So obviously we're going to be using our formula here and our formula here. Okay. If daily is breaking out, then we know automatically H4 is sales. Okay, so in H4, let's say we are in this H4 zone, then we'll be looking for M30 setups with H1 roadblocks. So let me delete this actually. Okay. And then obviously from our daily, we're going to be waiting for price to tap into our daily. And we're going to have our H1 set up with our H4 roadblock. Okay, so we understand that this is H4, right, which is a roadblock for the daily because this is now created. So we understand that H4, right, needs to retrace down to the daily. And in order to do that, we need to break an H1, right, because we're looking for the H4, the H1 to break the H4 to get to the daily. Okay, so do you see how that kind of works out back and forth, right? So here, and let's say this was an H1 level, and now we break that to find the daily level. Okay, now the daily level, we're looking on an H1. Where's my thing? So we have, let's say, an H1 breakout, pull back to get to the next H4 level. Okay, so you can see how the price is flowing. Okay, it's constantly going from time frame to time frame and completing each part of it. And we'd obviously be hunting for, set up in H4 on M30 in these levels. But my point is that from daily, we have daily buys. So we wait for H1, wait for the breakout of whatever H1 this was, because this was the roadblock from H4, right? Which we would have taken an entry from M30 here, anticipating the H1 to break. After the H1 breaks, it'll find the daily level, which we're anticipating the pullback on the daily level. And then we have the H1 breaking and then pull back, buy at support, and then rally to the next H4. And if the H4 breaks, then we're going to rally to the next daily level, right? So if you think about it this way, and we have a daily level up here. Okay, now we have daily pullback to daily. Okay, so this would be a daily high, breakout, pull back to daily to the next daily region.